What the fuck is up, guys? So I am back and I am going to be doing my drag makeup again. And unfortunately, since I don't have the luxury of living in a mansion or, uh, in my own home, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover because everyone's in the house and everyone's living their damn life and like can't tell them to like stop living their life for me to film my video. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover. Unfortunately, I did want to do like a chatty like talk through, but I want to just get a video out. I want to keep pumping out more drag videos for you guys because I love doing them and you guys seem to enjoy them, so that makes me even happier. So if you guys want to see the finished look, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And please share. Let everybody know, like I said in my last video, that you like watching my videos and that they should watch my videos because, like, we want everyone to watch my videos. And thank you so much for everything. Like I said, I love you guys, and let's hop into this video. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do as always is just moisturize and prime the skin, and you guys have seen me do this multiple times before if you watch my videos, so I'm not gonna talk you through every step. This video I more so just wanted to do like a chit chat video. I was hoping that I would be able to do my makeup and like talk through it because it would have been better when I had the thoughts in my head already. But of course, as you guys saw, I had my family in the house and I wasn't able to do a regular video. I had to do a voiceover. So here we are now. And yeah, it's pretty unfortunate. But aside from that, I'm actually like really happy because my latest video that I posted as of right now, currently while I'm filming this voiceover, it's at 1,800 views, which isn't really a lot to like a lot of people or like, people that have been doing this for a while or, people that have a huge following or whatever. But honestly, it made me feel like really, really good because my videos before then have just been peaking at like around 50, maybe even 70 views, not like, not even 100 views. So 1,800 was like a really big number that I wasn't expecting. So I was really happy about that. And that just made me want to like film more videos and put out more content. So make sure you're also following me on my Instagrams because that's like where I post all of my photos after I get in drag, and also any of my client work and anything makeup related. It'll be on my Instagrams. And really, Instagram is like the only social media that I'm like actually active on because social media is like something that's always been like really hard for me to like get a grasp of or like really care to invest so much time into. So it's kind of difficult like trying to grow and put myself out there and stuff because I like to live my life like in reality. I don't like to spend as much time on my phone as everyone else. And yeah, of course, like I'm not gonna say that I don't spend time on my phone because that'd be a lie, but like I try to be out of social media. Like if I'm on my phone, I'm usually like looking at things that inspire me or just watching videos like drag videos or more makeup videos and just learning different techniques and things of that nature. So that's pretty much all I do. And Instagram is the one place that I'm like more active on. So if you want to know anything about me or like follow me and stuff like that, Instagram is the place to be. I'm of course going to try to get better at the whole social media thing and be on Twitter and Facebook and stuff like that, but it's also really hard to be active on those platforms when I don't really have like any interaction and I don't really have any followers or like any people on like my Twitter, or I don't even have a Facebook. So of course I don't even have anything there, but it just makes it harder for me considering that I'm already like bad at the whole thing. So, but anyways, I'd eventually like to invest more into this channel and get a better camera and lighting and like a laptop for me to edit on, because if you guys don't know, I do absolutely everything on my phone. I do my filming, my voiceover, my editing, absolutely everything through my phone. So it does get a little difficult and hard to manage, and I'm sure it's not like the best quality. It's not as great as I would want it to be, but we're making it happen with what we got, you know? So eventually I would like to grow in that manner, and we'll get there eventually. But for now, I'm going to keep popping out videos like this, and I'm going to continue to do drag videos because I, one, just love to look at myself in drag. It's kind of a problem, but you know, if you're not a confident like drag queen, then like what are you doing, you know? But even then, I'm just like want to keep making videos, period. I'm gonna pop out some Halloween looks. I want to do a little bit of everything. I want to do some mukbangs. I want to bring my friends onto my channel. I want to eventually do like vlogs and stuff. I really just want my channel to be not just makeup. Like I want it to be just like about me and stuff. But right now, like makeup is like my talent that I am confident in and that I know I'm really good at and stuff. So it's easy for me to just make videos of this. So that's why you guys have just been getting makeup videos as of right now. But eventually I would like to do more like lifestyle videos as well, and maybe even like fashion related things, maybe like lookbooks, or honestly just a little bit of everything. I want my channel to be well rounded, and not even like a channel really, but more so just like a journal, or to like document everything that like I do in my life and my journey and stuff, because no matter what, like I know in my heart that I'm gonna be successful in the things that I want to do and stuff. So like I want documentation and footage showing where I came from, where I started, and you know, all of those things, because I'm a very ambitious person, and I know that I'm not gonna give up until I am where I want to be with my career and just like life, period. So I will be where I want to be, and this is all just part of the journey. But anyways, let me stop rambling and getting deep about nonsense or whatever. In these next few clips, you're gonna see me talking. Don't think that it was anything important. I really was just talking to my friend on the phone. So that's that. Today's look, there wasn't really any inspiration behind it. I just knew that I needed to film a video. I wanted to film a video and I wanted to look good. I had this green like jumpsuit or whatever, and I guess that was the real inspiration for the video. But I was just feeling the fall vibes. It's like starting to get cold, and I don't necessarily know how I feel about that, but like I guess I am ready for hoodie weather and layering up and all that, because I get real cute in the fall, you know? The fashion is pretty lit in the fall. So I'm excited for that, but that's about it. I'm not excited for the snow. I'm not excited for when I'm waking up to go to the gym at 5 a.m. It's pitch black outside and it's freezing. I'm not excited about those things at all. Highly upset. Very upset. Especially considering that here in Connecticut, we get like 3 months of warm weather. And during those 3 months, we have been dealing with a pandemic. So yeah, I haven't enjoyed my summer at all, and I'm pretty hurt about it, because I'm like a tropical person. Like I was born in Puerto Rico. I like the warm weather. I like to swim. I like to be at the beach. I like to live my best, and I did not get to do that this year around. So I'm really upset about that. And unfortunately, there's like nothing I can do except embrace that now it's fall time coming up. and embrace that. Luckily, I'm healthy, and so is my family and friends, and I haven't had to really deal with the worst parts of this pandemic. So I just got to be grateful for the little things, but I still do very much wish that I was able to enjoy my summer. So yeah, since I didn't get to enjoy any warm weather, I'm just gonna enjoy these warm tones in my crease. Wow, that was so corny. But anyways, this look actually was pretty fire, so I am gonna talk a little bit about it. Right now I'm using the green from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Vault series. And I used the, if I'm not mistaken, it's called the Ring the Alarm palette for the warm tones. And I'm just smoking that out and making sure everything is like really blended and diffused. As always, you guys should know by this point that I need to blend everything. Blending is like huge in my makeup, and I just love what a blended eye looks like. I don't know why the hell it just sounded like I forgot how to talk or I forgot the English language, but I'm just gonna pop on a shimmer from the Juvia's Place Magic palette, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, I am mistaken. Now that I think about it, that's the, I don't know what palette it is, but like I said, everything is gonna be listed below. And I popped that onto the lid, and now I'm going to use a beautiful pigment from Jlarue Cosmetics. This was my first time ever using any of their pigments, and I used the shade Vanilla Sky. And just wait till you see how the light like reflects off of this. Right now I'm applying the glitter adhesive just to make sure that the pigment really sticks on. But come on, just look at that shine. Like, give it to me all. I love it so much. And what I really loved was that when I first swatched these on my arm to see the different colors that they gave off, um, went on pretty opaque. So I was kind of nervous that this was gonna entirely cover the green in the inner part of my lid, because I didn't want that. I more so wanted exactly what I got, was just like oh my god, I can't talk, but added sparkle and just like a extra little oomph. As you could see, whenever I'm not covering my face with a mirror, like it's just cunt. And as I'm sure you guys can see, I first went in with a red liner on my eye because I thought I wanted to be different and like maybe a red liner would look cute, but it started to just look a little too Christmassy to me and like holiday, and that's not what I was going for. So I just did a regular black wing, and you know me, I'm a real crappy YouTuber, so you could barely see that, but I did it. I gave myself a wing. It's there. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I actually did something different with my brows. I didn't glue down the front of them. I let my natural hair stay there. And I actually really, really liked the effect it gave me because one, it looked more natural because I had natural hair there, you know, obviously. But it also gave me a really good starting point for my brows because they just started where my natural brows would start. So I feel like it allowed me to get a little bit more of symmetrical brows, even though brows are never going to be like fully symmetrical. I feel like they were pretty good this time around, so I'm going to continue doing that technique. So if you know me, you know that I'm crazy about blush. I just love it so much. I feel like it adds so much to the face and it just brings back so much color. So you're gonna see me go pretty hard with this blush. And I first just used orange eyeshadow actually, which was like super pretty, but then I just wanted a little bit more of a peachier, you know, like warmer pinky tone, so I added another blush on top of it. But like I said, everything will be listed down below. And now I'm just like defining my brows a little bit more because every time I powder and put my bronzer and everything else, you know, they just like wipe away a little bit. I actually really, really like this look because I'm all about like a super smoky, like seductive, like sinister looking eye, I guess you could say. So once I smoked out my bottom lash line and whatnot, that's the vibe I was giving. And I really lived for that. Like my friend actually told me in some of the pictures I took, I looked evil. but it was like such a vibe. Like I looked so good. I really loved it. Since I mentioned the word sinister, it just made me think about Halloween and how it's around the corner. So I already have some ideas that I would like to film and create, but if you guys have any looks or anything that you guys would like to see, please let me know because that would really help me. And I actually also have a video that I filmed last year. Like I had my long hair still and everything. It was the crazy like killer clown look that I did. And I never got around to editing it and I never posted it. And I'm not sure why, but I just found it in my archives and stuff. So I just started recently editing it. And I hope to get that out for you guys early in October, and I would hope that you guys would even want to see that. But it was actually a really cool look, so I think that you guys would like it. It was pretty cool. And now I'm actually at like my favorite part is putting on my red lip. If you know me, you know a red lip gives me so much life. Like I love red lips so much, especially more of a like ombre red lip, a little deep on the outside, get a little brighter on the inside. I just love it so much. So you guys will see me feeling myself in the outro, and I can't help it. Like I just can't. But then again, like you should want to be feeling yourself in a red lip. Not even just in a red lip. You should be feeling yourself, period. But when you're in a red lip, like you're a bad bitch and you know that because like red lips are for bad bitches, period. But like I said, you guys like should have already known that. So I of course use one of my favorite reds, and it's the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. And honestly, these are some of the most comfortable like liquid lipsticks that I have ever used. I know some people don't like that they're really liquidy, but I think that's what makes them so comfortable because they're so light and they don't dry down to like a nasty like concrete feel on your lips. Cause that's my main thing that I don't like about matte lips is that they just feel so drying all the time. And that's why you'll always see me have a gloss on because that dry look is just not for me. And the feeling, I just don't know how people really like walk around with them dried matte lips. Like it's just not a vibe, but you know, to each its own. But I can't. So these are like one of the only liquid lipsticks that are actually really comfortable to me. So as you could see, in my opinion, I look fucking beautiful. I'm just gonna set my face now, put some highlight on, and then I'll be back with the finished look and everything will be done. And you'll see the bad bitch that it is, Sapphire Bills. Guys, so this is the finished look. You know, I am feeling like the baddest bitch. Sapphire is back. Honestly, I'm like really living for this look right now. I feel beautiful. We got our ginger hair moment. Feeling super pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me turn into a bad bitch. Y'all, this is really hard for me to like take myself serious when I'm sitting here like looking at myself right now in the monitor. Like I look so motherfucking good. Like, oh my god. All right, but on a real note, if you made it to the end of the video, I want you to comment down below what you want to be for Halloween. What costume do you want to wear? And what do you want to be? Period. Make sure you're following my social media. It's going to be Beauty Brian's Way on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you wanted to follow my personal page, it'll be Brian Vega 15, and that's on Instagram. Everything that's spelled Brian is with a Y, not with an I. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great night or day wherever you are. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me next. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.